Yo guys, today I am doing a video, you can probably see that. I'm really silent, I said that. Let's move a bit, there we go, that's a bit better. Hello everyone, if you're watching this, that's awesome. Yeah, to do a live stream, but I can't build, and it won't let me anyway, so I'm just going to show you about my steering wheel today. So, here is my steering wheel, T150 First Master. That's just a plain Go translator. As you can see, there's this. This is a knob thing you hold on to. You basically just hold on with your hand. And here's it to steer. Right, down there where my feet are is my pedals. That's the throttle, brake, clutch. I don't need the clutch for this game. I need these two. As you can see, they're squeaky. And there is my footstool, which my foot's in the way. It's got a drink under it. And as you can see, I'm on my gaming chair again. Yeah, so spare me. There is a reason why I have a cover and cushions on my gaming chair, because it makes me comfier and higher for the steering wheel. I need a good height for me to reach. That's why my monitor's on the wall. And over there is my headphones and the other thing I use for my camera, my other channel. That's my brother's PS4. Mine's in there. There is Barnaby, just relaxing on the sofa. Yeah, so I'm just sitting here with my steering wheel. I would put my Spotify on, but I'll get copyrighted. So yeah, please subscribe, comment down below, hit the like button, hit the bell. Yeah, so subscribe and all sorts of that. Thank you. Bye.